Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to request a refund on Emirates. So follow these detailed steps to request a refund for a flight booking using the Emirates web app. The first thing you need to do is to launch your browser and go to the Emirates official website at emirates.com. Once again, to the website, follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account or to log in using an existing account. Once you're logged in, the next thing that you like to do is to locate the Help tab, which is in the top menu bar. Then click on the Help tab. So here's the top menu bar and you have Help. So for this, go ahead and scroll down to the section that says the cancellation section, or the section that has anything to do with cancellation. So now you have changing the canceling, you have feedback and complaints, the later damaged baggage, and a couple of stuff. So go ahead and click on changing or canceling, and that is going to take you to the next window. So in here, you'll need to enter your booking reference, last name, and your booking reference number. So enter your last name in here and enter your booking reference number and select retrieve booking. So the booking reference, in this booking reference number section, enter your 6-character booking reference code and the last name of the passenger as per the booking, and go ahead and click on retrieve booking. So once you click on retrieve booking, it's going to direct you to the refund request form page. Okay, so in the refund request form page, which you will be directed to, or let's say the booking details page, in the booking details page, okay, let's go over that again. Once you enter your last name and your booking reference, go ahead and click on retrieve booking, and that's going to take you to the refunds and cancellation section. So in the refunds and cancellation section of the booking details page, go ahead and click on request a refund link. So you're going to see request a refund link right there if that flight is eligible for refund. Now, once you click on that, you will now be directed or redirected to the refund request form page. Now, in the refund request form page, you might also be asked to enter your booking reference again, the last name, and provide your email address and phone number. Then select the reason for the refund request, which could be cancellation, medical reasons, or duplicate booking. Now, add any other relevant information or documents supporting your request if it is applicable. Now, if the refund request requires supporting documents like medical certificates, proof of duplicate payments, go ahead and provide that. So just go ahead and click on upload documents button and attach the necessary files in the accepted format. So read through the refund policy and terms provided on the page to understand eligibility and processing timelines. Once all details are filled in, click on the submit button to send your refund request. After submitting, you will see a confirmation message on the screen. Emirates will send a confirmation email with your refund request reference number. Check your email for updates regarding the progress of your refund request. You can also contact Emirates customer support through the help section for additional assistance. Refunds typically take 7 to 14 business days, depending on the original payment method. Credit card refunds may take longer due to bank processing times. And that's it. You have successfully requested a refund using the Emirates web app. Now go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.